बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लम अलैहि. Dear colleagues, this is male adult patient complaint of pain in the epigastrium, weight loss, and for the last 8 years off and on, and now vomiting for the last 15 days. So now I'm going to perform the scan at the epigastric region. This is the pancreas and this is the pancreatic duct. We can appreciate that this pancreatic duct is dilated and as irregular in outline. Here it is dilated and here it is prominent, and here it is narrowed, and the pancreas is not having normal ecotexture in my opinion. And now I am going to scan the liver, and here we can appreciate the linear echogenicities at the portal triad. So these linear echogenicities are present in the liver parenchyma in the both lobes, right and left lobes. And this black structure is the portal vein. And also, if we closely observe, we can see that the size of the pancreas seems to be reduced. Size of the pancreas is reduced, calcification. These are the calcification, these are, and these are. So this was the cause of epigastric pain, weight loss, and now the vomiting for the last 15 days. Likely it is the case of chronic pancreatitis. So now I will like to advise the patient to go for the CT scan with IV contrast. Look at the condition of the pancreas in front of the screen and the dilated tortuous pancreatic duct, which has beaded appearance. Here it is dilated, here it is narrowed, then dilated, so it has also the beaded appearance. Look at the pancreatic duct and the parenchyma of the pancreas. So this was an interesting case of chronic pancreatitis. I like to share you people. Thank you very much.